Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. As the posture of a future mother affects the development of the child. Many future mothers know that pregnancy can negatively affect posture, but not everyone is in a hurry to somehow solve this problem. Pregnancy, it's not forever, so the back will soon recover. Let's see how changes in posture affect the health of the future baby. Let's first agree, no horror stories. I promise. Incorrect posture, stoop, excessive deflection in the lower back, torso, are features that the expectant mother can correct by applying a small amount of effort. For example, doing gymnastics for 15 minutes a day. The main thing is to decide. And to engage in posture, we must understand how the quality of life of a child will improve if he grows inside a slender, flexible mother who does not have a backache. Here are some examples of how a mother's bearing is related to the health of a baby's future. The position of the pelvis. The position of the pelvis, as expected, depends on the condition of the spine. The pelvic bones are attached to it. If the pelvis is fixed at an angle, there is some familiar turn of the pelvis in one direction or the other, then the baby will grow in an asymmetric space. In the process of formation, he will have to adjust to his mother's shape of the pelvis, to lie head in one chosen side, perhaps, to sacrifice the comfortable position of the neck. In such a situation, the mother of the pelvis will seem to pinch it on one side. The freer the child feels, the more healthy and strong he grows inside his mother, the better the blood supply of all his organs and the more confident he feels at the climax, in childbirth. Diagnostics. How can I check if I have a pelvic torso? Ask someone from your family to take a picture of you in full length, in full growth in your underwear. And now, having deduced a photo on the monitor, take a ruler and check up whether on one level there are crests of the ileo bones, ossicles to the right and to the left of the center of a stomach. If one is higher and the other is lower, it is possible to speak with certain certainty of pelvic torsion, which it is desirable to correct before or during pregnancy. Slouch. Every millimeter of space inside our body is important for the organs to be in place, well supplied with blood and worked 100%. If a person stoops, his chest volume is reduced, he steals free space in the heart and lungs. Particularly important during pregnancy is the work of the heart. It must pump blood for two, to do so that the nutrition is enough for both mom and baby. Therefore, slender posture, the proud position of the neck, shoulders, it's not just beautiful, it is also a guarantee of the health of the cardiovascular system, prevention of problems with arterial pressure. Diagnostics. How do I know if I'm slouching? To do this, again take a photo, this time in profile, in full growth. And, having printed out the image, on the ruler connect the following points with the line, ear, shoulder joint, hip joint. If the line is straight, your posture is normal. If the lines ear, shoulder and shoulder, pelvis are at an angle, we can talk about some stoop. Relaxation of the lower back. According to modern fashion magazines, a deep deflection in the lower back is considered beautiful. And it really is an indicator of flexibility. If its owner can make a deflection, strain the muscles, and then return the waist to a relaxed state, straighten it. Unfortunately, not everyone can do this. Many people have a loin that stiffens in a bent state. This tension becomes habitual and ceases to be felt as something that interferes. During pregnancy, if there is such a habitual stress, it, as a rule, quickly enough starts to inform about itself pulling pains. And this task is especially important to solve, because a relaxed loin is very, very useful for you in childbirth. During attempts, a woman must perform a very specific movement of the diaphragm against the background of relaxation of the abdomen and waist. The more in this area of habitual stress, the less space for the child to move along the birth canal. Diagnostics. How to determine if I have a habitual tension in the lumbar region. Sit on a chair, Straighten your back and touch the muscles along the lumbar spine. If there are dense rollers inside which, as in a groove, there is a backbone, it is a signal that the usual tension is formed, and it needs to be relaxed. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.